First of all, we would like to say thank you for this amazing recognition from this great event. It's really meant a lot for us. Maybe this is the best thing that happened to us in this year. Like we know this pandemic thing ruined our schedule. So basically, we also joining another international event like this in the middle of the year. We got achievement. We got invited to represent our work in Venice, Italy, but we got canceled because of this pandemic. So for us, this is this prestigious event is the ultimate achievement that happened to us in this year. We're really grateful for this achievement. Once again, a big thank you, a big appreciation for Stevie Award 2020. So basically, this project is started on March 2019. We are 5 different people, came from different background in our company, living in separated location. Me as a risk officer. There is also Mr. Jati from safety department. There is also Mr. Rifki and Mr. Ega from IT division. We are joining this team with clear vision, same passion, and a big curiosity to explore the possibilities to implement the artificial intelligence technology to prevent accident and mitigate the risk in our working area. So for us, this is not just a regular project. This is a noble project because we are trying to save our employees' life with artificial intelligence. And also there is big challenges come to us to prove this technology is work, since our application is the first application using this method in our company. And also I believe this is the first application using this method in our country in Indonesia. So for us, thank you so much for the achievement, for this recognition. It's really meant a lot for us. So for our company, this is truly amazing recognition because from this achievement, it's proof that our company have a big concern and commitment to put safety of every employee in top of all things. Our company, PT Pembangkitan Jawa Bali, is an energy company operated in Indonesia. We operated a dozen power plant in Indonesia. We are the biggest operation and maintenance power plant company in Indonesia. Our company also have a high profile in international perspective. We got a high score in Malcolm Baldrige. I believe right now we are in the industrial leader position. So this year our company have a new mission to expand our service and business in other country in Southeast Asia. So recognition from this prestigious event like this is one of that we need to make this mission accomplished.